Now you know about the jobs and talents catalogs as well as how to use them for your benefit. But wait, there is more. Upwork has a third type of catalog, which is called the Projects Catalog. This is a list of offers from freelancers with a fixed price. If you have worked with other freelance platforms, such as Fiverr, you might know about the format where freelancers share their projects, known as gigs, at a fixed price. It is actually the same. In my experience, people order freelancers' services with this catalog on Upwork only in certain areas. Yes, despite the huge variety of offers with fixed price, customers prefer the usual ones. By the way, I advise you to analyze this catalog by typing your keywords and phrases into the search box as we have done for the job and talents catalogs. Perhaps your specialization has a lot of tasks that clients would like to order, or even if not, this analysis helps you understand fixed prices for similar jobs. To do this, let's go back to the drop-down menu near the search field and choose the project option. No matter whether or not you log in, everything looks the same. In a new window, you can find a lot of categories and subcategories to choose from. As we did with other catalogs, it's also possible to write any keywords you need. For example, let's type logo design. Once it's ready, you will see a lot of announcements related to your request. Open any that you consider interesting to you. Pay attention to their descriptions and payment solutions. There will be a typical description of this service and examples of pricing you can use. Usually this catalog suggests small favors with prices up to $200. Most projects you find will be possible to describe clearly and complete in a short period of time. If you find plenty of offers for your specialization and they seem to be ordered often, I advise you to try similar services for yourself. To ensure an approximate amount of orders for each project, you can check its review number, but make sure you are looking for project review and not freelancer ones.